power to the tribe. What's happening? Yours truly, the Black Ophanim Wine and TV. Back in full effect, beloved. We don't talk, we walk. I want to let y'all know next Saturday at the Black Revolutionary Block Party, we're going to have a special guest popping through. 607 on, not the punk, going to be in the house. So y'all check us out. Support your Black Revolutionary voice of the people. Ooh, drink. Our street. Oh man. Our land. Thank y'all for landing right here with me, because over 196,940,000 square miles of the planet dirt, and y'all landing right here. So that's what's up. Black, powerful, all power to the tribe. Truly, I had to chime in, let y'all know what's up, what's up, what's up. It is time for us to make some moves, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So Black Ophanim Lion TV in full effect. It's time to do it. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all could, drop a penny or 20 or dub and above. We're not asking y'all to give until it hurts. Just give until it helps. Hit the new benevolent fund, which is $ Black Ophanim #1, because I'm the only one. Yeah. And like I say, Saturday, stopping through the Black Revolutionary Block Party. We're going to have a special guest, 607 Unk, not the punk, in the house. So y'all be there. Don't be square. That's for damn sure. And whatever you do, be good to each other. And remember,
no person shall disturb the peace by participating or abetting in any rude, indecent, drunken, riotous, or violent conduct, or the use of any vulgar, obscene, or abusive language in a public place. Note also, the performance of the song, F the Police, will not be permitted. Refusal to abide by all the Detroit City ordinances will result in immediate arrest and forfeiture.
Are we finished here? We got a show to do.
Just watch yourself.
You the dick. Fuck the police.
Day. Yeah, they say we free, but always tell us what we can and cannot say. Huh. So let's do it. Yeah.
Speaker is number 607 UNC.
You know, everybody, I'm locked in a firmament and I'm stuck in assimilation.
Name and address.
Oh yeah, my name. I'm from the Paroma. That's like in the heavens. It's like the same as heaven, but it's different. And I come to talk about Trump because I love Trump, and y'all disrespect Trump, and y'all don't know that y'all devils, and y'all come from the devils. Y'all fell from heaven, and y'all don't know that Trump is good. He black stuck in another body because the world and everything is reincarnated. Oh, sorry, everything is reincarnated. And I got some papers I need y'all to sign because I'm trying to let everybody know that Michelle Obama is a man. Her name is Michael, and don't nobody know. But this right here, if y'all can help me sign this, we
win a celebrity boxing match, some kind of way. Or better yet, if we get OG Percy to do it, that'd be even better. But that might be more brutal. I don't know. Charleston might not want that fight.
Some bad
But anyway,
but they ain't that bad where they put take a dead, put an eye back in a no eye and make that motherfucker have sight. Now, that motherfucker do a lot of shit, but they can't transplant no eye. Now, let me stop saying this shit. I don't know. But let me just say it from a nigga standpoint. I don't believe that if I take this motherfucking eye out right here.
Oh, no, don't take it out. Hey, don't take it out.
Nigga, shut up. You want me to believe it's an open, empty space right here. They can go take another eye from a human, put an eye in here.
Put the eye back
Stop
in,
looking.
please.
Nigga, just look, nigga. Listen to what I'm saying. You think they can take an eye and put an eye in here that's not in there and make this motherfucker see and it ain't nothing in there right now? I'm insulted that you would even ask me some bullshit like this. And if Aiden Ross and them can do it, yeah, I take it. Boy, I love to see out this eye again just to see what it look like.
This on? Everybody, I'm locked in a firmament and I'm stuck in assimilation.
Name and address.
Oh yeah, my name. I'm from the Paroma. That's like in the heavens. It's like the same as heaven, but it's different. And I come to talk about Trump because I love Trump, and y'all disrespect Trump, and y'all don't know that y'all devils, and y'all come from the devils. Y'all fell from heaven, and y'all don't know that Trump is good. He black stuck in another body because the world and everything is reincarnated. Oh, sorry. Everything is reincarnated. And I got some papers I need y'all to sign because I'm trying to let everybody know that Michelle Obama is a man. Her name is Michael. And
next Saturday,
one thing, if I was
don't
with my
forget.
people, he wouldn't have did that. He wouldn't have did that. He would have walked in that door and did nothing. That's what I'm saying. So
No, that's
he
not
would've
true.
did that.
That's not true.
I swear to God, he would have did that.
Listen,
He wouldn't even
St.
try
Louis,
it.
listen, St. Louis and West Coast, they both, that's going to show up and go. I think
No, listen, we would have a different solution. Dad, he wouldn't have tried me like that. Come on, Dad.
nephew don't go into nothing expecting to make it out. I'm glad it was what it was because in his mind,
He didn't go back. He told me to bring my gun.
look, in
He
his,
told me that bring your gun.
look, in his mind, he wasn't going to do nothing to you anyway. He just wanted to get your attention. See,
No, you don't do it like that. That ain't
Okay,
that
hold on, wait, stop.
love.
Wait, stop. I can say the same to you. You don't do it like that. Do you know the scrutiny, right, that I'm going to catch doing this with you right now? And
I feel you. No, I'm saying I feel what you're saying, but I'm saying that he came to me like really violent.
Rolling it, dead homie. It's the fourth of them blow. I want to get blown up to that. The back, I'm blowing it up. Stop playing CD. I'm throwing them in your house. I'm throwing them at you. Vernon Avenue, the back. I'm blowing your ass up. I'm blowing somebody up today off the back.
But we're trying to set it up club style, the Black Revolutionary nightclub in the house. That's the only way to do it, because they're gonna give you the flim flam from the Flim Flam Mans, and we'll have our finger on the ticker tape over here, ready to drop it like it's hot. You know what I'm saying? It's like this. I told you white girls about me. Somebody tell them I ain't in the snow bunny, please. Stop it.
I went to St. Louis, Missouri the other day. Had Black Panthers from all over the country. No one knew about it at all. They had machine guns, recoilless rifles, grease guns, Lugers, 25 of them, all armed. And the chief policeman here at the airport when I arrived, they were there, right there at the steps. He said he was violating the law. Yeah, we're violating the law. He said, we're tired of our white and black leaders, Jackie and Martin and Bobby being killed. We're going to protect this man right here. They didn't arrest one of them. Because they said if you arrest one, then someone's going to die. Because we are ready to kill. Like all means, black dignity. Just Just as surely as you're proud to be white, we're proud to be black. Black is beautiful, baby. It's pretty. I always say to my brothers, I say, they don't worry about white chicks. We got everything from chalk to charcoal in our own race. That's it. Black power means dignity. Means we're gonna walk side by side with you, or through you. We're gonna be with dignity and integrity. We don't want any more than you have, and we're not gonna accept any less than you have. That's my enough. 9 inches and pull it out 6 inches, there's no progress. You pull it all the way out, that's not progress. The progress is healing the wound that's below me. And they haven't even begun to pull the knife out, much less trying to heal the wound. They won't even admit the knife is there.
Not the punk gonna be in the house at the Black Revolutionary Block Party, pulling through the club, y'all. And yeah, like last week, called in just to remind y'all he will be here. So y'all be here. Don't be square.
What else? I'm on the air. Hold on. All right. I got Shabaka out there, and we on the air too. What's happening? 607. Not the What up, bro? Let me turn the music down. I'm jamming up in this joint. Yeah. Shabaka, this 607 on, and I'm trying to talk to the people, brother. We out here.
Okay, what's up, 607? All right, yourself. What's the word with the game? Okay, I'm out here in Sin City, man, burning up, absorbing this sun, you know what I'm saying, a natural light. I'm on my way to Sin City right now. Oh, man, all right, so come on, 7-Eleven, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, hey, talk to us, son. What's up, man? You hear about the firework incident with 4 extra?
No, I heard about it. What happened?
Oh man, he's supposed to blow his hand off or blew his hand up or something with messing with them fireworks. Too big old.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah.
He's blowing the hand back.
Yeah.
All you have to do is pick him up the new hand. Get the new hand to come back. You pick that down.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
You want a new hand. You can manifest the new hand.
You know?
I don't think he's off the hand, okay?
No, I don't think so myself, but that's what they say, like fingers or something like that there. But they probably just injured,
Wait. We can't put no tires in nobody's booty no more.
Hey, that's the damn show. Dang!
Yeah, he needs a hand. He ain't losing his hand. What about the hands if they ain't got no tires in it?
He got no tires.
He got no tires in the hands. get the hang of what I'm saying.
Dang.
I don't know, I'm confused.
Hey, me too. Hey, so we got the Spiritual Gangster Party coming up next Saturday, 9 p.m. right here with 607 and yours truly on the Black Revolutionary Block Party. Yeah.
I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that she's here. Could I see her, please?
No, can't see her. She's making a statement.
Where is she?
Look, it may take a while.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Casper, Wyoming, are you ready?
Hit y'all up with these switches before I go up out of here. Yeah.
Let's get ready for the Ultimate Rumble! And now, ladies and gentlemen,
I need him 1 more minute. All right, champ, you've been doing all the talking. You've done all of your something live on television. What round will you knock him out? I'm not calling round. One day while we live in the race deal. You always said, Muhammad, you're not the man you were 10 years ago, right? Right. Well, I'm like your wife. Are you the man you was last year? You'll get a quick ahead to the...
This Olympic medalist now has a perfect professional record of 37 fights, 37 victories, including 33 knockouts. His KO descendant, the greatest in middleweight championship history, from Karaganda, Kazakhstan.
We're having a fight party tonight, y'all. Tune in. We're going to watch Mike Tyson knock out this youngin. Who was his name?
Gennadiyevich Golovkin, a.k.a.
Best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and the most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one to stop me. Lynch the Conqueror. No, I'm Alexander. He's no Alexander. I'm the best ever. There's never been anybody ruthless. I'm Sonny Liston. I'm Jack Dempsey. There's no one like me. I'm from Nairclaw. There's no one that can match me. My style is impetuous. My defense is impregnable. And I'm just ferocious. I want your heart. I want to eat your children. Praise be to my God.
Wrestling fans.
Hit the cash out.
Watching around the world. Wearing black, officially weighing 150. Let's get ready to rumble!
slapped the shit out of Jake Paul, right?
Todd, get upstairs and take out that guy.
Y'all stay tuned. Saturday gonna be my. The 607 Unk in the house. 607 Unk, not the punk.